What's up, guys? So getting into an absolute insane pack opening, which you are going to enjoy. But before we get into it, here is some of my previous packs from a couple of days ago. Team of the season: Norway, Holland. Wait, what? Solskjaer. Oh! 95 Futties Solskjaer. Go. Team of the season: Belgium, centre back. Hero! Wait, no, wait, who's this? Oh! Our pass back! 90! We got Futties Company! Oh! And we got Giroud! 96 Giroud! Oh! We're Master Futties! Oh my gosh! Oh! They were insane. Now, time for the main pack opening. What's up, guys? So we're back with some brand new FIFA packs, and today, before we start with SBCs, we're doing a Futties pack because basically FIFA for some FC have taken basically every single good pack out of the shop. There's a 100 pack, there's a 350, 500, the one we're going to open. There's a 3,500, which is too expensive, and these two. But the reason I bought the 500 over one of these two is because the percentages for Futties, which is what we want, because the new Futties are out. Beckham, Son, Lucio, we want all of those. But Futties icons, 1.3, 1%, 1.9, that's the 1,000. If we move on to the 2,000, which has got more players in the pack, the Futties chances, if we go down, 2% and a 4% for a hero, right? And obviously it's guaranteed for that pack, but that's too expensive. But the 500 pack has got some pretty decent chances for everything else. But then if we go to the Futties, if we go down, keep going down to Futties, 9.5 for a normal, 6.8 for a premium, 8.4 for an icon, and 12 for a heroes. Basically, probably the best chance for one in the shop. So, we're starting with this one. Here we go. Please be good. It's a Futties! Yes, Brazil! Striker! Oh, who's this? Okay, right. Who is the Futties? It could be someone big! Oh my goodness. Son. Who's that? Oh! 95 Kalulu! Oh my goodness! Let's go! Come on! Yes! I'm not sure if I've got a duplicate. Come on! We get the Futties line. He was a duplicate, but hopefully we get some more stuff. Oh! I've got Barella. I'll take Czech as a... Wait, yeah, Czech as loan. Not bad. Okay. Pretty sure this is a tradable pack. Isn't it? No, it's not a tradable pack. That's crazy. Oh my god, what a pack. Can we put... Okay, that is crazy. That is a decent pack. Anyway, time to do some SBCs. Our first SBCs are here. The first 84 plus times 10. Here we go. It's an icon. Oh, it's an icon Futties. Roy Keane. And who's the icon Futties? Oh! Cantona! Oh my gosh! Oh, Cantona! We've just packed icon Futties Cantona. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! Here is the next 84 plus times 10. Here we go. Team of the season, Colombia. Right back, Minos. I think it is Minos. Duplicate. Who is the team of the season? Williams, 91. 96 pace. Anyone else in the pack? Brolin. It's pretty good. That was the final 84 plus times 10 of that batch we have just done. The first 85 plus times 10. Here we go. Team of the season. Spanish. Left wing back. Who? Comodo! Oh my goodness! Oh, I didn't think he got a team of the season. I thought we were going to get his team of the season. We just got Futties Grimaldo. What the? Oh my goodness. What a pack. 2 good team of the seasons as well. The next 85 plus times 10. Here we go. Here we go. Team of the season. Oh my goodness. Who's this? Oh, it's Rob. Oh, Grassi. And who is the other team of the season in the pack? We could have a Futties behind these team of the seasons. Ooh, 94 Batcher. Do we have a Futties? Oh! We do! Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh! Let's go! Oh yes! Oh, he's worth 300k! He's basically worth 400k. Oh my goodness. What a card to pack. We're packing so many insane cards. The final 85 plus times 10 of the batch. Here we go. Selfie one. Team of the season. It's left back. Oh, it's rubbish. Candy Gold Glue. Anyone else good? Okay. Do we get 50? Oh! We got another Futties! Ramirez! Oh! Yo! We've got another Futties! Ramirez! Oh! Oh my goodness. That is insane. That was insane. We're back with yet again 5 packs. So we're going to start by opening the first 84 plus times 10. I don't know. French goalkeeper. Main none. Who's this? Oh, it's one of these cards. Oh, we could get Verts. Oh my god. Who's that? Oh, that is a nice card. It's duplicate. What is that pack? Fodder galore. Oh my god. Moving on to the next 84 plus times 10. Here we go. Is that not... Icon! Oh, Freddy's icon! Oh my god. That's Smalling. Who's the Futties icon? Oh! It's a Burkamp. But unfortunately, we've already got him. So unlucky. I wish he packed a tradable, because then I could sell all my duplicate Futties. Moving on to first 85 plus times 10. Here we go. Here we go. Team of the season. Portuguese. Oh. It's Costina. And who's the other team of the season? We could get Futties behind this. 94. German. Nice. I'm not sure. Do we get a Futties you can see and I can't? We didn't. Okay. Fodder galore, but no Futties. In an 85 plus times 10. Come on. I'm doing another selfie pack. Here we go. Team of the season. Left. Wait. Who is this? Wait, what? Oh! 97 jackpot! Oh, finally! I wanted that Gakpo so much! 97 euro Gakpo. Do we get something else? Oh, we did get Futties! It was a duplicate, but we got Vincent Company Futties. Oh my goodness. I had to give a George Skellier. I didn't even see him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what a pack. RIP to Vincent Company. Now, the final one. Here we go. Team of the season. American centre back. German. Duplicate. And duplicate walkouts. Ugh, they're the worst. What is that final pack? That is rubbish. Oh my god. So we're on our way to doing an insane SBC, which I'm not going to tell you until we do it, but we get a pack on the way. I'll only show you if it's good. Well, it's an 85. I'm going to reveal the player pick in 3, 2, 1. The 96 plus Futties player pick. Well, guys, we're about to open the player pick. I don't really have anything to add to the screen apart from my pillow. So we're going to use my pillow to hide the player pick, and we're going to reveal it slowly. So the player pick is opening. It should be there. We're going to start with, okay. I'm going to the right. My God. A card I can't see. Okay, hold on. We're going to reveal the right one slowly. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you can see what I can see. Okay, what has it got? Is it Chelsea? Wait, hold on. 97. Wait, hold on. Wait a second. Right, so we're going to reveal it slowly. No, it's Chelsea. Wait. We got 99 Sam Kerr! Oh, my highest rated Futties ever. My highest rated player ever in FIFA. 99 Sam Kerr! Oh my god! Oh, we've got to reveal the others. Here we go. 96 Wait! Lewandowski! Oh my goodness! Now, reveal the last one. From the bottom to the top. Oh, it's already owned. Oh, Bompasta. Oh my goodness, what a player pick. Well, I don't know. It's a tough pick. I really want to pick Lewandowski, but I got to get my first 799 rated. Oh my goodness. She's worth quite a lot. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're doing the SBC again. We've done the SBC again. I'm going to turn around, right? Okay. Actually, no, I've got an idea. I'm going to open the player pick and I will not look at any of them. We'll start on this side. We'll go bottom to top for each of them. Here we go. Right, I'm opening the player pick. I can't see, right? I promise I can't see. I promise I've not seen. I'm looking up slowly. Already owned. Lundberg, not bad. I promise I've not seen. All I can see is the pink from each card. Who is this? Papin. Not bad. A 96 now for the final one. It's already owned. Oh, it's a Dama Traore. Not bad. I think I'm going to take Papin there. It's the only one I've not got. So I may have to take him. He's not the highest. He probably was the highest rated, but he's not too bad. We've done another player pick. A big one at it too. We had the chance to get players like 99 Verts, 99 Pele. I'm not sure about the Pele. We have chances to get basically any Futties, any team in the seasons, but they have to be 95 or over. And there's 4 of them. Here we go. Oh! Oh! 2 Futties, a Trent, a Militao, and a Cucurella. Oh my god. This is a tough choice. Now, I would just go highest rated, but another Futties. I'm not going to take Cucurella for one reason, and it's because he's Spanish and the final. We don't talk about that. It's between these two. Can't take him as duplicate. I would love to take him though. I've already got loads of Futties. I think I'm going to take the Trent, not because he's a Liverpool player. He's highest rated, and I think he's probably going to be my highest rated right back in my club. So I'm going to take him. Well, we can do it one more time. Nah, I'll complete the 93 plus. Basically everything icon pick. Futties. There's a chance to get 99 Pele, 99 Beckham, anyone like that. Here we go. Ooh! Oh my god! What a pick. Well, we won't be taking Smith, unfortunately, as it's a duplicate. Rijkaard is not high rated, so unfortunately I'll take you between Petite and Socrates. Dang, that Socrates looks good, but so does Petite. Oh my gosh. Okay, the attribute. Okay, that's... Okay, alright. Okay, I'm going to take Socrates. I think he's pretty high rated. Nice. Thanks for watching this pack opening, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Sam Kerr. Futties! Oh! It's 99 Fotheringham! Just kidding, I just did the SBC. Just want to tell it to the video. Just so you know, I've got another 99 player. Wow.